So here is my main method already created. Main method is an entry point of a program. That is the start point of a program, from where your program begins. It starts from the main method always. Now you might say, why does it start from the main method only? Why not from some other methods? That is how your compiler is programmed. The compiler is programmed to look for a main thread called as public static void main. Main is not just a simple method. It is actually a primary thread. So because this main is primary thread, that's the reason this is the only method that gets started at the beginning. Although if you write other methods which are as same as this with some other name, it will not be started. Fine. And main is not a keyword. Main is not a keyword. Still the program starts from the main method itself. That's because it's a main thread. Now how do we prove that? Let's say there is system.out.println my main method. Fine. And same method, definitely we cannot write two methods which are same, because that will be a duplicate method. Now you see that I'm writing main method, one with a small case character, another one with the capital case character. Do you see that? Yes, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So when I save this program and run it, you will see the result getting displayed here in the console. Actually, I have written two main methods. Both are same only, but only thing is the one M is capital, another one M is small. So which one is getting executed? Capital or small?
Small, sir.
Small is getting executed.
Yes, sir.
Although both methods written are same. Both the methods are written same, no?
Yes, sir.
Is there any difference in that, except that capital M and small m?
No difference, sir.
No differences at all. Still, which one is executed first?
Small.
Small one.
The small one is executed first. Reason for that is this is the main thread. Now you might say, how compiler understands that that is only the main thread, right? So for this, we have to like dig into the compiler and understand that that main is not just a simple method like other methods. Main is a special method. Main is actually a main thread. Now, how will we prove that main is a main thread? See, there is one line of code in Java with which we can get to know which is the currently running thread. At least there should be one thread in a Java program is what it says. That a Java program at least contains one thread. It can be single thread or can be multiple threads, but minimum one thread should be there. And this program has that thread which is main only. So let me show you how do I prove that. There is built-in classes thread dot current thread dot get name. So this particular method tells us what is the name of currently running thread. So I'll store it into a string type of variable. String name is equal to, and I will do a system.out.println name. Fine. So you can see here I will print a message. Name of current thread is plus. So you see the result. What is the name of the current thread? Name of current thread is what?
Main.
Main. So wherever I write it, it will show me that the name of the current thread is main only. Because here we have not created any thread in Java. Only the predefined thread is being executed. Because the name of the predefined thread is main, that is why the compiler is looking for main. It is not looking for this M capital. Is the M capital or small here?
Small.
Small case M. So compiler is looking for a main thread. Main is not a keyword.
Yes,
a keyword cannot be an identifier in Java. Now what is an identifier? So certain things we need to see. When I am talking about Java, there are a lot of things I talk about. Every single statement that I say is a definition itself. Either it is a set of rule in Java, or it's a definition of something, or that's how the Java standards work. Fine. So now what is that? Why is main getting executed first? So that was my first question, right? Why main gets executed first. So what is the reason? What's the reason? I showed you the reason why main is getting executed first. What is the reason for it? Because main is the primary thread. Main is what?
Primary thread.
Primary thread. Thread means what now? Now you might ask that question as well. What is thread? Thread means execution path
Execution.
of a program.
Program.
Fine. So every program has an execution path called as thread, and every thread has a name. When you are writing a program, it can either be single-threaded program or multi-threaded program. So if we are not creating any thread, at least there is one thread available in Java. That thread name is what? Main. That's why it is starting your program from main method only.